In this video, we will see the search without warrant. In previous video, we have seen search with warrant, and also previously we have discussed about the arrest also. Now in this video, we will see the search without warrant. Usually, whenever any action, legal action is taken, then we have to see the provisions of the law. So the law provides, or the criminal procedure code section so and so provides like that, we have to start. And then or the legality provides, or the constitutional article provides like that, we have to start. So in this video, we have drawn some 3 sections on criminal procedure code. They are section 103, 153 and section 165. These 3 sections are invoked for explaining the search without warrant. Without warrant means without the court order, the search is made considering the necessity, urgency, and to avoid further mishap, the search is made without warrant. So any incriminating materials or any materials used for crime purpose, so that has to be searched and seized. For that, the search is made even without warrant. So under what circumstances the search is made without warrant? That is to prevent domestic violence, and then investigate traffic offences, such as the breath test is made. Suppose whether the person has driven the vehicle under intoxication, to see that the breathing test is required. That is, whether any alcohol, the breath contains any alcohol, that is the breathing activity, breath test for alcohol. And when to catch escaped prisoner, and also evidence hidden or destroyed. So then searching vehicle, whenever the vehicle is used for hiding the weapons and also the stolen property, then such of the vehicles is searched. Then the tools for break the house or car. Sometimes the thieves will use some materials for making hole or other thing. In Tamil it is called kannakol. Like that, the tools used to break house or car, that also will be searched. And then to hurt someone, to plan to use to hurt someone, and also some are indictable offense materials. These things are necessary for search without warrant. And another thing, sometimes the vehicle is also detained and searched vehicle, and even arrest is made. Vehicle is being used unlawfully. When the vehicle is used unlawfully for transporting some narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, or some that is unlawfully transported. For this purpose, the vehicle is being used unlawfully. And then vehicle in possession, property taken by police, and any property taken on suspect. For this purpose, the search is made without warrant. And whenever the property is taken by the searched by the police, if it is not actually, if it is found that it is not helpful for investigation, or unlawfully it has been searched, then the taken away property should be returned within 30 days. If at all, if the court is not giving permission to the police to retain the goods. And then if the goods are not returned within 30 days, then the parties can make complaints. And the section 102, other thing also, section 102 is giving provisions to the police not to attach immovable property. Only movable property can be attached by police. That is under section 102. So, as a introduction, search without warrant for these purposes, search without warrant can be made. And then now we will see the section by section. First we will see the nature and scope, that is under section 103. Provisions has been laid down to search the places which is used for unlawful purpose and the material used for unlawful purpose. The magistrate himself under his control directly can search the place within his control. That is if magistrate may direct search in his presence, or magistrate can direct the search in his presence. That is section 103. If and also the what for the search is made also to be known. If it is contravened, then the search can be resisted by the concerned party. That is another thing. So in this case, a case study is also taken in this. That is Zubeda Khatun versus Assistant Director of Customs, Legal Bangalore, 1991. Seizure is actually what happened in this case. That is the Zubeda Khatun had hidden the contrabands such as the opium and other drugs. Though the value is not that much, but it is legally prohibited. And then the thing is, the important thing is that psychotropic substances have not been referred to the lab, whether it is psychotropic substance or narcotic drugs. That is unduly delayed. And during that period, what happened to the sample? It was argued that how the sample is kept for a long time without sending for analysis, and those things are involved in this case. But the thing is, the seizure of the article is not vitiated the proceedings, vitiated the prosecution. That is the important thing. Actually the section 57 and 2008 under section 18, the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 is drawn in this case. Then actually in these cases, the search warrant, we have to understand two important things. One is the recording of reason should be there. Whenever a search is made in a place, the reason should be recorded, one thing. And then the reasonable ground for believing, that the house, that the premises contains the unlawful, used for unlawful activity, or hiding the unlawful materials or stolen materials. Such things are to be established. These two things are to be established in the search without warrant. Then the second, the search without warrant by police officer, section 153. Actually, the police is empowered to search a place which is used for the weighing and measurement. Actually, in the shops, we are purchasing the things. Actually, that is weighed. If that weighing the scales are not up to the mark, are not up to the mark, are not standard, or it is bogus, then false payment is made. Then the police can search the place and seize the materials which are used for the measuring the materials. It may be the groceries, or it may be whatever it may be the thing. So the police can inspect. So actually the statutory authorities are there, that is meteorological department is there. Their statutory authorities, they can go and seize the materials. They can see whether the scales are stamped properly, and if it is not properly, they can seize the materials, and the case can be initiated by the meteorological department. But in this case, the police also is empowered to seize the payment materials and also seize the materials, search the material and seize the materials. But the thing is, immediately after search and seizure, the matter is to be informed to the magistrate concerned or the magistrate within the jurisdiction. That is the important thing. Then search by a police officer under section 165. The authorities, actually the police officer is empowered to go for search and see the material. But in this case, if the officer could not go for search for some or other reasons, then he can depute his subordinate to search the place. So he can be view the things as an outsider. But the thing is, the important thing is, an order to be given to the subordinate officer to go for search, and what material is to be searched, which place is to be searched, all the things are to be given in order, and it should also be recorded in case diary. That is very, very important. So whenever they feel that the place contains the ground for investigation, they can go. But the thing is, if the concerned officer could not proceed, he can depute subordinate by giving order. That is the and another thing, then immediately it should be reported to the magistrate, and a copy of the seized material should be given to the occupier of the house on free of cost, on request. That is another thing. So what are the things which were searched and seized? A list has to be given to the occupier of the house on request, and should be given by the magistrate. That is, these are the things to be adopted in search without warrant. So the search without warrant, why search is made without warrant means that is written order by the magistrate, considering the necessity, considering the urgency, considering that the more mishap could have been done by the time the obtaining of the warrant. So without warrant, they are empowered to go and search the place. But the thing is, they should give the reasons, one thing, reasonable ground for believing, and recording of reasons also should be intimated to the occupier of the house. Suppose another thing, suppose if the occupier of the house is a female who does not appear in public, then notice should be given to given to the female, such a female, that we are going to see that so and so place, like that. So if it is the female, the occupier of the house, then a notice should be given to the female. So these are all the things to be adopted in search without warrant. And with this, we conclude this video.